Roblox 4th grade lesson 21 worksheet, and today what we'll be doing is finding the answer when we have a subtraction like this, multiplication, some addition, and some more problems. So let's start. Alright, to start off, let's do find the answer. So when we have answers like these, typically what I would recommend is just doing like this, 147 minus 7. The reason is there has to be a number that must subtract 143 to get 7, so the only way to do that is with this sequence. So 143 minus 7, what is that? That's pretty easy, I think. That's 136. So yeah, the answer for number 1 is 136. Number 3, it's a little bit different. 543 plus blank equals 11, but again, this is actually solvable by 543 minus 11 essentially, and then what you should get would then be 532, right? So then it wouldn't be a positive 543, it would be a negative. The reason for that is because there has to be a very small number that's being like a negative number that has to be added to this positive number to give you a lower value like this. So negative 532 would be the answer. Number 523, this is also similar. 523 minus 7, which should give you 5/16, which again would be a negative 5/16 because it has to make it into a 7 value. Number 7 is actually pretty straightforward. 528 minus 21. Again, this is not too hard. It's just 507. Alright, moving on, let's try some multiplication. So 125 times 16. 5 times 6, that's 0. 30, sorry. 2 times 6, that's 12. 5, 1, 6, 7. And then don't forget 0, 5, 2, 1, 5. Adding all those together, you should get 2000 as your answer for number 1. And then for number 4, 9, 10 times 11. It's just going to be 9, 10 down here, and then move the 9 over. Wait, sorry. Yeah, that's right. So 0, 0, 1, 9, and then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it would be 10,010 for number 4. And then number 8, the last one, 681 times 15. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 8 is 44, 6 times 5 is 30, 3,405. We're gonna move this one place over, adding all those up. 5, 1, 2, 1, 0. So we get 10,215 for number 8. Alright, let's do some addition. So we're gonna do 2,545 plus 233. So we're gonna add these together. We get 2,778. Let's do 3. 6, 2, 1, 6, 1, 9, 3. 9, 0, 1, move it over. 4, and then we get 6,409. Number 5, 3, 3, 6, 2 plus 8, 19. 1, 1, 8, 1, 1, and then 4,181. And then number 8, the last one, 4,128 plus 349. 8 plus 9, 7, 1, 7, 4, 4, so 4,477. Alright, so for number 1, it says Sally has a total of 5,230 seashells to sell. She is able to sell 1,242 of the seashells to Sammy. How many seashells does Sammy have left? So this is a simple subtraction equation where we're given the total and then the amount that she sold. So what we would do is 5,230 minus 1,242, 2, 10, 8, 1, 12, 8, 4, 11, and then that would become 9 and 3. So 3,988 for number 1. Number 2, David has 30 red pair socks. 21 pairs are white and then 12 pairs are rainbow. David put all of his socks in a cabinet and grabs a rainbow pair in each morning. Which of the 3 colors is David most likely going to choose? So basically, when you're going to do these, you got to think about the color that has the greatest when it says which is most likely to be chosen. And that would actually be red. And the reason for that is because looking at all these numbers and looking at the sock colors, we see that the red sock has the most compared to all of them, because red has 30 pairs, white only has 21, and rainbow has only 12. So yeah. Alright. So moving on, it says Kaylin has 200 different colors of paint. She uses 1/3 of her paint on Bob Ross's painting. How many colors of paint has Kaylin not used at all? So this is actually pretty easy as well. What you would do is 200 times 1/4, which is actually 50, and then we're going to subtract it because that's only 1/4 of 200. We're calculating how much is not used. So 200 minus 50 is 150, so the answer is 150 for this one. Last one, Jimmy has 4 boxes of crayons. In each box there are 36 crayons. How many total crayons does Jimmy have in total? So if there's 4 boxes and there's 36, that means we would do 36 times 4, and then get 24, 12, and then we would get 144 crayons in total. And yeah, that's it.